Kabayan, if you work in an IT or finance in Singapore, you know you are earning in a strong currency. But is that income building you a future back home? Pag-isipan mo mabuti. Buwan-buwan, you work hard but property prices move faster. Siguraduhin mo na isa sa portfolio mo ay diversified sa real estate. Don't let your money sit idly. Discover Cavite's growth story across SMDC Nature Properties from Tanza to General Trias with major infrastructure, Calax, Cavitex, and future developments. Alam mo ba na ang Hope Residences offers resort-style living with everyday convenience, lifestyle amenities, and strong long-term potential? Sa ngayon, you can own it from 240 Singaporean dollars lang monthly. Kabayan, Seal Residences places you in the heart of General Trias, close to Calax, malls, and future developments designed for long-term value. And for a limited time now, get it for as low as 230 Singaporean dollars per month. Habang kumikita ka dyan sa Singapore, let your income build a home and a legacy para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay sa Pilipinas. Message us today and we'll guide you every step of the way wherever you are in Singapore.